Have you ever wondered what the hottest TikTok Shop products will be in 2025 here in the UK, and more importantly, how you can spot them before anyone else? The truth is, TikTok Shop is evolving fast, and staying ahead of trends is the difference between finding products that fly off the shelves or getting left behind. In today's video, we're diving into the top TikTok Shop trends for 2025 in the UK and reviewing Kalodata, the tool that's helping sellers crush it with product research. Now, before we get deep into the trends, let me tell you something important. I've got an exclusive link in the description that gives you 10% off Kalodata. If you're serious about staying ahead in 2025, that's a deal you don't want to miss. So, let's talk trends. First, expect to see AI-powered gadgets leading the charge. From smart home add-ons to pocket-sized AI assistants, these are about to dominate TikTok Shop because they're not only fun to showcase but also highly shareable. Second, eco-friendly lifestyle products are making a big comeback. Shoppers in the UK are more conscious than ever, and TikTok is amplifying that. Think reusable kitchenware, sustainable fashion, and zero-waste beauty products. All of these are climbing fast. Third, health and wellness tech is trending big. From portable fitness tools to smart wearables, products that help people stay healthier are gaining traction and creating viral buzz on TikTok. And this is where Kalodata shines. With Kalodata, you can track what's actually trending on TikTok Shop, see what's going viral, and, most importantly, spot winning products before everyone else. That's how sellers are locking in profits early while others are still guessing. If you're ready to take advantage of these 2025 TikTok Shop trends, don't forget, the link for 10% off Kalodata is right in the description. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.